The Good, the Bad, the Ugly. Reflections on the American Dream. A freestyle American English original story. The Mirror of a Nation. When people talk about America, they often talk in absolutes. They call it the land of freedom, or the empire of greed, the city on a hill, or the machine that never sleeps. But America, like all great myths, is a mirror, and what it shows you depends on what you bring to it. I've seen its good, I've felt its bad, and I've stared into its ugly. Each one taught me something about the dream we all keep chasing. The good, the dream, and the light. There's something magnetic about America. It draws people, like moths to light. Not because it's perfect, but because it believes it can be. The good of America lives in its restless hope. It's in the college kid coding in a garage, the artist painting under a bridge, the immigrant mother working 2 jobs and still smiling, believing her children will have a better life. America is a possibility. It's the sound of 1,000 languages blending into one sentence. I have a dream. It's the place that taught the world how to think big, how to challenge the impossible, how to turn ideas into rockets and words into revolutions. I remember walking through New York at sunrise, skyscrapers glowing gold, people rushing toward their ambitions. There's something beautiful about that madness, that belief that tomorrow will be better. It's the good part of America, not in its money, not in its flag, but in its faith that you can start over, no matter who you are, no matter where you come from. The bad, the illusion, and the noise. But hope has a shadow. And in America, it often wears designer clothes. The bad part of America isn't evil. It's the illusion that you must always become more successful, more visible, more perfect. Here, dreams come with deadlines. Smiles are branded. People hustle until they forget what they're running toward. I've seen the burnout behind the smiles. People who confuse activity with purpose. You scroll through perfect lives online, wondering why yours feels ordinary. America invented the highlight reel and forgot to show the behind the scenes. The bad of America isn't a crime. It's a rhythm, a constant hum of noise telling you, you're not enough. You see it in the faces of overworked nurses, underpaid teachers, lonely millionaires staring at blue screens. They have everything except peace. The ugly, the shadow of the dream. And then there's the ugly, the part nobody wants to talk about. It's the dream's reflection, cracked, distorted, real. It's the forgotten towns, the people left behind when the factory lights went out. It's the homeless veteran sleeping beneath a billboard that says freedom. The ugly is the cost of ambition, the way the system feeds on exhaustion, and the way fear sells better than truth. America preaches equality, but its streets whisper otherwise. The color of your skin, the zip code you're born into, they still decide more than anyone wants to admit. And the ugliest part? We've learned to scroll past it. We've normalized struggle, commodified pain, and turned compassion into a hashtag. But even in its ugliness, America still feels alive, raw, unfiltered, pulsing. It's chaos with a heartbeat, a dream that refuses to die even when it's bleeding. The reflection, what America taught me. When I think of America now, I don't see heroes or villains. I see a contradiction that somehow works. I see a country that can create beauty and destroy it, that can inspire and disappoint in the same breath. America is like fire. It gives light, but it can burn. Did the lesson teach me? Freedom isn't about doing whatever you want. It's about having the courage to face what's broken, inside and out, and still choose to rebuild. The good, the bad, the ugly, they're all part of the same story. One can't exist without the others. The good keeps the dream alive. The bad keeps us searching for meaning. The ugly keeps us honest. In the end, America isn't a country. It's an idea. Ideas are powerful because they never die. Maybe that's the beauty of it. The dream isn't supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to remind us that we can be better. So I still believe in it, not as a place, but as a promise that we can always start again. If you're listening to this, remember, every country, every person has their good, their bad, and their ugly. But what defines you? Which one do you choose to feed? Because even in the noise, the dream still whispers, you can begin again. If this story made you think, don't let it fade. Share it. Comment on what the dream means to you. And remember, learning English isn't just about words, it's about understanding the world behind them. Subscribe to Freestyle American English, where stories teach more than grammar.